Hello, everyone.
Tracye, we are, what is? Hey everyone, welcome to Learning the Keto Way. My name is Ray. This is my wife Tracye, who's having a laughing attack right now. You're gonna have to wait for the blooper reel for this one. But just wanted to give you a great welcome and thank you for checking out. You're fine. Wanted to thank you for checking out our channel and coming over and thanks for checking out our channel. And folks, what I want you to do, hit down right there. Right down there and hit that subscribe button. Also, while you're down there, give us a thumbs up and see that little bell. Click on that little bell too. You know, this is our channel about living the keto life, learning the keto life. Huh?
You can start all this.
This is all good stuff, man. I'll splice it together. Dude, with this channel is.
Here, let me start.
Okay, and you start. Welcome to Learning the Keto Way with Ray and Tracye. My wife is having a laughing attack right now. But just wanted to say hi and welcome you to our channel. I want to really encourage you to see that little red button, hit that, subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and click on that little bell you see right there so that when we get our wonderful ideas or Tracye has another laughing attack, you'll get the latest video. Our channel is about the keto life. Eating keto, living keto, and learning all about the ketogenic diet. There's a whole bunch of things that a lot of people have confusion about, and it's our desire to help see and help clarify a lot of these misideas and really kind of give you some good direction and hopefully see you have a great health.
Our goal is to teach, mentor, and encourage folks that have decided to get healthy, eating the keto way, and learn to live a healthier lifestyle through changing their diets.
And our goal is to really help you and give you some good videos, tips, recipes, and just maybe kind of look into our lives as well and how we're doing the keto life. You know, our goal is to really see you succeed, and if we can help you succeed, then that helps us succeed as well.
One of the things that we are looking to do in the future is actually bring personal training and make personal training available to folks, because that's one of the things that we've seen. It's not one size fits all.
Yeah.
And so some people really want and need that personal coaching, and so that's what we're working towards, is to be able to set up a system that we can personally coach people one-on-one how to switch their way of eating to a healthier way of eating and following the ketogenic diet, where they see success, long-term success, not just short-term success.
So those are kind of like our goals in a nutshell, and I want you to, again, subscribe to our channel, hit that red button down there, give us a thumbs up.
Join us on Facebook.
Join us on Facebook. Again, I'll put the link down there.
Pinterest.
And what I want you to do, folks, is check us out on Facebook, and you can see the link down there. Also, Pinterest, check out a lot of our recipes and pictures and stuff's going on there. And then also, folks, please consider, if you like these videos, you like what we're doing in our group, you like the whole ketogenic movement that we're really trying to push and promote, then go to our Patreon channel and support us, $1 a month. That really does help us. We do work during the day and everything, but this extra buck will really help us build the website and
bring you more videos,
just all kinds of things. So help support our work here, and we're just loving it. We love meeting all of you. We love interacting with all of you on Facebook and on Pinterest and Twitter and everything. We're seeing a lot of great activity. Our group is growing like crazy, and we're excited to see all this happening. So thank you so much. And again, what you want to do is subscribe, thumbs up, hit that little bell right there that you see too, so you can get reminded of our videos and everything. And then tell me why you're on the keto diet. Tell us why you're on the keto diet, or what's your expectations, or what do you want to get out of the keto diet, or what do you maybe want to get out of watching our videos and our journey. So thank you so much for tuning in. We really appreciate it. And my name is Ray.
And I'm Tracye.
And
Learning the Keto Way, we want it to become your source for all things ketogenic.
so we'll see you later, folks. Keto on. Hey everybody, my name is Ray, and
I'm
welcome.
Tracye. You should introduce me.
Okay,
This is Tracye.
she's my wife, and